Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Angaston in the Barossa Valley.
Angaston is a charming tree-lined historic village in the Barossa Valley in South Australia. Surrounded by rolling hills and vineyards, it has elegant heritage streetscapes, an artisan food scene and wonderful valley views. Angaston is located approximately 88 kilometres northeast of Adelaide.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. In today's video we wander around Angaston's town centre, taste delicious cheese at the Barossa Valley Cheese Company and explore the Yalumba Winery. We also visit Melba's chocolate factory, Menglers Hill Lookout and the historic Blacksmith Shop. Then we wander along the Heritage Trail and browse the Barossa Farmers Market.
Murray Street is the main street of Angaston and has stunning heritage buildings, cafes, hotels and lots of interesting shops. We enjoyed wandering along the streets, admiring the heritage buildings and browsing in the shops. Then we popped into Barossa Valley Cheese Company.
The Barossa Valley Cheese Company is a must for food lovers visiting the Barossa Valley. It is located on Murray Street in Angaston and is open Wednesday to Monday from 10 AM to 4 PM. Here you can sample their range of artisan cheeses, enjoy curated tasting plates paired with local gourmet condiments, and even watch the cheesemakers at work. We enjoyed a cheese platter with a delicious selection of artisan cheeses and local condiments. Then we drove 2 kilometres from Angaston to the Yalumba Winery.
The Yalumba Winery was founded in 1849 by English migrant Samuel Smith and is Australia's oldest family-owned winery. The winery has a stunning chateau with a historic clock tower which was built around 1907. The wine room is open daily from 10 AM till 5 PM and you can enjoy guided tastings from the friendly staff while learning about the winery's long traditions and family legacy. Yalumba also offers a range of other experiences including gourmet picnics, guided tours of the winery and tours of the only on-site winery cooperage in Australia. We enjoyed wandering around the beautiful grounds of this lovely historic estate and talking to the cellar door staff about the wines in the winery.
Next we visited Melba's Chocolates and Confectionery, located at 29 Valley Road in Angaston. They are open daily from 9 AM to 4:30 PM. Their showroom has a huge selection of sweet and savoury treats, and they offer free tastings of several of their chocolates. Melba's Chocolate and Confectionery has an on-site cafe and a lovely garden area with lawn games and plenty of seating. We sat outside in the garden drinking our coffee and tasting several of the chocolates.
Menglers Hill Lookout is only 8 kilometres from Angaston and offers one of the most spectacular viewpoints in the Barossa Valley. From the top, there are lovely panoramic views across rolling vineyards, farmland and wineries that stretch across the valley. From the car park we wandered down to the Barossa Sculpture Park to see the striking stone artworks. These sculptures were created during the Barossa International Sculpture Symposium in 1988, when 9 sculptors carved pieces from locally sourced marble and granite.
In the afternoon, we visited the Angaston Blacksmith Shop and Museum, located on Murray Street. It is open Saturdays, Sundays and public holidays from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. For 3 generations, the Doddridges operated the town's blacksmith shop from this corrugated iron shed, which was built in 1876. The shop was still operating into the 1970s, with workers repairing carts, shoeing horses and creating wrought iron for carts, buggies, ploughs and tools. Today, local volunteers show you the original tools, equipment and share stories about the blacksmith shop and the region's history.
After we toured the blacksmith shop, we decided to learn more about the history of Angaston along the Heritage Trail. This easy self-guided walk meanders past beautifully preserved stone buildings, along leafy streets and through peaceful parks. Next to the blacksmith shop is Doddridge House, which was built in 1876. The Angaston Town Hall on Washington Street is a striking building that was built in 1911 from locally sourced blue and white marble and was designed in a domestic Gothic style. The historic Angaston Hotel on Murray Street is the oldest hotel in Angaston. It was originally built in 1846 as a modest single-storey building, and as the town grew, the hotel was expanded and renovated into the prominent 2-storey landmark seen today. The former Methodist church was built in 1864 to accommodate the growing Methodist congregation. In the Soldiers' Memorial Reserve, you can see the sculpture called Day of Peter, which was originally unveiled in 1988 to honour the Clydesdale working horse. The railway line was extended from Gawler to Angaston in 1911, creating a major boost to the town's prosperity. Passenger trains ceased operations in 1968 and freight trains in 1975. In 2020, the Angaston railway station building was restored and the surrounding area, including the train turntable, was developed as an adventure station.
The Barossa Farmers Market is held every Saturday morning from 7:30am to 11:30am in the historic Vintner's Shed in Angaston. Here, farmers, bakers and producers sell the food they grow and make themselves. Stalls feature fresh seasonal fruit and vegetables, artisan breads, cheeses, meats, pastries, preserves, oils, coffee and sweet treats, all sourced from the Barossa and surrounding South Australian regions. It's also a wonderful place to enjoy breakfast, grab a coffee and soak up the lively atmosphere with live music.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.